Hello and welcome to Motor Match Bolton. Today we have the Mazda5 Sport Venture that does come in a complementing and a classic grey exterior, along with your lovely manual transmission. This 2015 model has covered just over 74,000 miles, and with your 1.6 diesel engine, it is the ideal spacious upgrade for those covering extra miles, with plenty of top features, including your rear view camera and sensors. You do also have your automatic headlights and 17-inch alloy wheels. Moving into your boot area, you do have more than enough space for any larger travel plans, and it can even be transformed in seconds to a 7-seater for any extra travelling passengers. Moving into your rear, it is a full leather finish for that luxurious feel, and is very easy to maintain all round. Moving into your front interior, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel for driver convenience. Alongside your central display screen, you do also have your two front leather seats, which do also come with a heated function, so you are well equipped for those colder winter conditions, keeping you toasty warm. To navigate around your vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, which does even include your cruise control feature. You do also have a small dashboard screen, which is much more an eye level, which does also house your climate control options, followed by your central touch display that does house your Alpine navigation system. So this is very handy, especially in those unfamiliar areas. You do have plenty of radio stations to flip through, keeping you and your passengers fully entertained on any trip, alongside your Bluetooth connection if you do wish to listen to your own preferred audio. If you do put the car into reverse, this will activate your rear view camera, so plenty of help backing this vehicle into those tighter spots. You do have your main climate dials located just below there, and like stated previously, your two front seats are heated, so you do have your controls just below there, alongside two handy cup holders and small storage area.